and welcome back to the official YouTube channel of Department of Business Economics under University of Delhi, also referred to as DBE. I, Swar Jain, Vice President of Department of Business Economics, will be the host for today. We are back with another episode of Internship Stories 2021. Today, we have with us Mr. Niket Shah of Batch 2022, who interned at Max Life Insurance. Hello, Niket. We are delighted to have you here.
Hello, Swa. Thanks for having me here.
Before we dive into discussing your internship experience, we would love to know more about you.
I'm Niket Shah. I'm from Vadodara, Gujarat. I've done my undergraduation in mechanical engineering from VGC Ahmedabad. Thereafter, I have 13-month work experience in a water treatment firm called Suez Water Technologies. After that, I decided to pursue my MBA from Department of Business Economics, and currently my specializations are analytics and finance. Apart from that, I like to watch movies and jog. So that's brief about me.
That's good to hear, Niket. Let's start with the first part of the conversation where we talk about your internship experience. Could you tell us about what Max Life Insurance does and what your overall experience of working at the company was?
So first, I will talk about what Max Life does. So it is basically a life insurance company. It is a joint venture between Max India and Axis Bank. So it offers comprehensive life insurance and retirement solutions for long-term savings and protection to its customer. Apart from life coverage, it also covers health, pension, and annuity. It also offers child protection, retirement, savings, and growth plans to individual and to group. So basically, like a insurance company, the revenue is generated mainly from two activities. First is the renewal income, which is the cumulative premium that is paid by the policy holder to renew the policy till the policy gets matured. And second is the new customers which are onboarded every year. So the former part constitutes the major chunk of the revenue. And this is the area where the company puts most of its effort at. And talking about my experience, like in working with Max Life, like it was very good experience for me. Uh, like my previous role was a bit of technical in the core engineering sector, and then directly to a life insurance company, it was a very great experience for me. The place was also very good to work, as it is listed in a great place to work. Also, the seniors and the mentors were very helpful to me and helped me in every part where I got stuck.
That is really good to hear. We hope that you did have a lot of fun while interning at Max Life Insurance. Can you tell us more about your profile and also some details about the project you had there?
So my profile there was of data science intern. So like I interned in Max Life for about 2 months in June and July. The project I worked on included creating a bureau mart data using the credit information that is available from CIBIL to generate new fields which can help to gauge like financial health of a customer on a detailed basis. So the data which the Max received from CIBIL was like it got updated in every month. So my task was to automate the receiving of this data in a required format. So in my project, like I mainly worked in Python. Specifically, the libraries that I used were Pandas, NumPy, and DateTime modules. So in during my internship, like I generated around 580 new features, which can help in determining the financial DNA of a customer. Some of these features were to get the insights on how many trades that are held by customers, whether they're active or inactive, how many are secured and unsecured trades, whether a person is living on of debts, what are its payment patterns, like whether he's paying in the first half of the month, middle of the month, or at the end of the month. What is the return of amount, collateral amount, and number of times he has defaulted in last like 6, 12, or 24 months. So these were some of this field like that I have created around 580 fields. So that was a brief about my project.
Okay. Could you describe your whole internship experience in just one word?
It might not be a one word, but like it could be continuous learning and development. I would like to say that.
Okay, that sounds wonderful. I think we can now move to the next part of our conversation, which is like more involved about DBE. Can you tell us about how your learnings at DBE helped in your internship?
So like in DBF, we have many courses, many different courses like economics, finance, and statistics. So for this internship, the subject that helped me the most was statistics, which was in our first semester, because the interview revolved around the concept of statistics, the p values, the machine learning concepts. So learning the course beforehand gave me an advantage, like to give the proper answer to the interview so that I can get selected.
Okay. Could you tell us about your involvement in DBE and what committees or clubs were you a part of while you were at DBE?
Yeah, sure. So I'm a part of PR committee, that is the public relation committee, and one club that is Datamatics. So in PR, like we promote our college and the events that are happening in the college on social medias, and we do accreditation for the college too. And for the Datamatics, it involves around the analytic part of the curriculum. So in that club, we try to imbibe the different knowledge of analytics. So I would like to talk about the uh, series that we have started in Datamatics. So we have started social media series on different tools. First is Excel, second is SQL, and third is about the concepts of statistics. So if you like go through that content, so one can get an idea about how these concepts are used in real life, and with proper examples one can get a clear understanding.
Thanks a lot, Niket, for these answers. And I guess now we can move forward from learning about the internship to learning more about you. So here are some bonus questions for you, sort of a rapid fire round. Um, I hope we can start with that. What would
Sure.
you be doing if you weren't doing MBA right now?
So like if I wasn't doing MBA, I would be continuing with my job that I had previously. So I would be in the engineering field only.
Okay. One interpersonal skill that helped you a lot in the first year.
So teamwork is in the online culture of life, like studies, the teamwork and coordination with your friends is the most important in clearing the MBA period.
That's really nice. I hope we also get to learn from that. Would you what do you dislike about the Zoom meetings?
Keeping your camera on.
That's nice. I think most of us can relate to that. Okay, let's go to the last one. What do you prefer? Learn by watching or learn by doing?
I don't discriminate about among these two options. I think both are good options. You can like if you don't have the work to do, then you can like learn by watching, and you have some hands-on opportunity, then learning by doing is the best option. So both options are good according to me.
But Niket, this is a rapid fire round. You got to choose one.
So the learn by doing would be my pick.
Okay, that's great. Thank you, Niket, for taking time to do this and sharing your experience. We are sure that this would help all our viewers in understanding the intricacies and of the work profile. It was truly great conversing with you.
Thank you, sir. Same for me. Like I would like to help some students like who are watching this video to get more insights about how Max Life and what does Max Life do, and hope they could find it useful.
Thank you so much, Niket. Thank you all for watching. Share it with your peers and see you all in the next episode. Thank you so much.